So this is the Simpson pressure washer that I ordered last week. Try to back y'all up a little bit where y'all can kind of see where I don't have to. I mean, so you see how they did that? Look, but you can't go wrong with putting oil in it, man. That's pretty cool right there, man. I like that. So I got the fuel in it. The biggest thing with the other one was the fact that it wouldn't start. So I got the water running just like the direction says. I done let all the air out of the line, so it ought to start. So this is where almost like you want to. Water will get trapped in the bottom here. You don't want that, you know. A lot of debris and stuff, just dirt and mud. But there's a plate right here. You just got to undo the plate. You see where the water's leaking out of the plate right there. What size is that plate, man? Let's see. It looks like about a 5/8. Yeah. But yeah, let me grab me a wrench.